Alright, welcome to my channel. This is Lock Chuck. What I'm working on today is this Master Lock number 19. It is a 6-pin Master Lock. Very beefy and heavy lock. Very difficult to pick. There's the bitting. So, see if I can get this to cooperate. So these do have type of barrel pins in it, and let me see if I can get them picked. Just really will go in and feel for anybody that is binding. Give it a nudge until it really feels kind of bouncy or springy, you could say, because then I know I'm in the I guess you would say the barrel part of the pin. So give it a try. We'll see how it goes. Usually my problem pins are 3 and 4, but we will see. I am using a 19 thousandths flat Jimmy Longs. I'm using fairly heavy tension on this thing and just nudging them. I mean, I'm not with 19 thousandths and heavy tension, it chews up some picks, or it can not very kind on a pick. So just have to be careful and not try to force the pins, just kind of coaxing them. Okay. Feeling for any movement of the core, which is it's double-edged. It could be good or bad, depending on where pins 3 and 4 are at when I get that false set. And I'll try to explain why if I get this picked. Felt just a slight movement on the core. Let's see if I think it's a good sign or a bad sign. I think I'm okay. So I think I am possibly into the last phase of this. I guess you could say it takes 2 phases to pick it. One is to get everything up into the barrel section and kind of get a false set, and then it's essentially dealing with T-pins after that. Okay, felt another slight movement on the core. So I think I'm getting fairly close. Felt another movement on the core. Nice. I'm kind of getting excited here. And yes, it is open. All right. So there is the Master Lock number 19. Let's see, the core is open. This lock has not been tampered with, so all right. So it's locked back up, and now, yep, doesn't turn. So let me see if I can show you what was going on in this lock. So as soon as I find it, all right, I have a twin to this one that I did gut to kind of see what was going on and what was causing me some issues. So let me take this apart and show you where the issues were lying, what was going on and what was kind of causing. Sorry if I'm out of the frame, but I guess it does matter. That lock can't be gutted anyway, so this is just a sister lock of it. And just, well, so you see, this one does work. That one, which this one currently only, the core only has 2 pins. All the pins are laid out right there. But oh, it does work this one too. So let me show you where the issue lies with this lock. All right. So I'm just going to show you these 2 pins right here is where the issue lies, 3 and 4. I'll put the other pins back in just to show you that this is the same key. Well, did I get a pin backwards? Nope, I got 2 and, sorry, 1 and 2 are switched. Okay. And I shoot 4 across the table. Come on. That's what happens when you try to rush. All right, so there is the same bitting, but what the issue is on 3 and 4. Here's the barrel drivers. They're all the same size. There's no difference. So it's not a balanced stack, if you will. It's unbalanced. So right there on 3 and 4, here's where the issue lies. So 3 is below the shear line. Okay. So technically you could probably pick this lock without picking it. Then the other issue, let's see if I can get, sorry if I bumped the camera, see if I can get this to focus. The other issue, number 4, is in the T-pin, the upper T-pin part of that barrel. So it can give, if you get these other 4 into the barrel sections, because I'll show you they're in the key, all these will be in the key pin section. When they're not set. So you can see they're all there. So if you get all 4 of those, you get the fault set right here, but you're jammed up because you're going to counter rotate to get this pin started and everything. So what the issue is, you kind of got to get this one, kind of get everybody moving up. I was trying to get these 2 set first, and I found out that was my mistake. I need to get these all kind of set up just a little bit, not completely set, and then start on these. Once I get them to stay just, I don't have to set them, but once I just get them lifted enough where they're binding on the pin section, then I will go back and I'll set the other 4 into the T-pin sections. Once they're set and these are still staying up in the main section, I can work on these 2 to get them up to the next T-pin section or the other side of the barrel, and then I can get it picked. So, but I was doing it backwards when I first I was trying to get these 2 set before doing the other 4. And what it is, I need to get these 4 started or close and then get these just in the middle section of barrels, then set these 4, and then work on these 2. Once I did that, that's when I started getting my false sets, and then it's a matter of getting everybody set into the T-pins, and usually the last pin to set will be this 3 once it's in the T-pin section. But to give you, let me put, well, I just did a quick gut on that core as it rolled around. Let's see, who goes where? So that was short, so I know it goes there. And that was longer, so it probably goes there. And then that one goes there. Yep. So, and I'll get the spring out in just a second to show you, because I've actually picked it one time without lifting 3, and it cut the end of the spring off. So, there's my driver. Yeah, shot right out. Quick gut. Where'd the other one go? I thought it hit my hand. Yep, as you can tell by this one, you see where I've already cut that end of that spring off. Oh, there's my barrel. But so I understand. I think Steve was pointing out what people are feeling as serrations sometimes is you're actually on the spring, getting multiple clicks out of it. So just be mindful of that. All right. So there's the actual insides of ignore this. That's the insides of a Master Lock 19. All right. I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching.